home that we're going to be doing for this customer. I'm going to go inside so that you get a good idea of how this motorhome looks like from inside. As you can see, this is the driver's section. We have already started working on it. So we have already started cleaning it, but basically what we are doing is this is the view from the driver's side. You have couches, leather couches out here. You have a kitchen area. You have a little dining space, which turns into a fold-up bed. Refrigerators, appliances, stuff like that. Here we have the toilet, washroom, and you can see my technician is right now steaming all the doors so that we get everything cleaned out. It's been closed for the winter, so there was a little bit of mold issue as well. We're taking care of that. At the same time, because there was mold and because this motorhome was closed for a couple of months, we want to make sure that everything is clean. And okay, here is some more mold which you can see. So we want to make sure that we get all the surfaces with the steam cleaner, so that the mold is not only just wiped away, it actually is killed as well. So Tarun, can you move please? So this is the bedroom area. He's already wiped down the bedroom and steam cleaned it. There's mold here too, which we need to take care of. So just to give you an idea, we're going to be doing this entire motorhome. It's going to take 4 or 5 hours, but hopefully after that the client will like it. If you have any anything for us, if you have a motorhome that has been covered during the winters and you want us to clean it, any weird smells coming from it, please give us a call, 604-518-6684. From the DNV Mobile Auto Service. We are almost halfway through of this motorhome. We've got all the mold and everything out, and everything looks clean. The owner just took a brief checkup of the place and said that, made a comment that it looks better than what it looked when he bought the place. So that's a good sign. And now we're steaming the washrooms. Another technician out here is steaming all the ceilings to make sure that whatever spots on the ceilings are all taken care of. We have cleaned the countertops, the sink, the couches have also been steam cleaned, the headliner. Windows have been cleaned. So we've also steamed the dashboard. It was quite dirty earlier, but the doors. So again, if you need to get your motorhome or RV cleaned, please give us a call. We are at 604-518-6684. This is Vic from DNV Mobile Auto Service and Interior Detailing. Hi, this is Vic from DNV Mobile Auto. Wanted to take after video of the motorhome that we have cleaned. So you had seen earlier in the previous video, there was mold residue and stains on the panel out here. It's all gone. We've been able to get rid of everything. We steam clean the mattress too, just so that if there was anything growing or trying to grow in the mattresses, that would also be cleaned. Here's the washroom. has been cleaned fully. This is the kitchen cabinets, kitchen countertops. We have thoroughly cleaned the microwave, the countertops too. Here we have the couches, the headliner, the roof, and on the driver's side, the dashboard, and the mats and the seats and everything else. The floors have also been steam cleaned, just to give you an idea. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for looking at our video. If you have any questions, or if you want to get your motorhome cleaned before summer hits and you want to take that road trip with your family, please give us a call. Number is 604-518-6684. DNB Mobile Auto Repair, and interior detailing for semis, any vehicle that basically needs a cleaning. Thanks.